The world has been attacked by deadly viruses over the last 2 decades like never before. Can we afford these continuous lockdowns and continued loss of lives and livelihoods? We need to ask ourselves if this is the last pandemic we are going to experience. As the world faces this deadly challenge, there is a need for a viral defense system installed in every enclosed space for our protection. This breakthrough device is the Shycocan, with 99.9% efficacy in neutralizing the coronavirus in enclosed spaces. It's unlike anything else available, as it has no chemicals, no harmful radiation, no UV rays, no side effects, and is completely safe for humans, animals, and the environment. Now let's understand how it works and keeps you safe. We've all heard about the coronavirus. Now let's take a closer look at how the virus infects a human cell and discover how we can protect ourselves against it. SARS-CoV-2 belongs to the coronavirus family, a contagious viral infection that primarily attacks your throat and lungs. When an infected person sneezes, coughs, or exhales, droplets carrying the virus may land in your mouth or nose, moving into your lungs. The coronavirus is enclosed in a positive charged spike protein capsid, while the human cell membrane carries an inherently negative charge. Due to these opposite charges, the S protein of the coronavirus attaches to the human cell through the ACE2 receptors. The virus infuses its RNA into the cells and starts to duplicate like a photocopy machine, thereby infecting the body. But what if there was a device that could prevent the spread of the entire coronavirus and influenza family of viruses? Presenting the Shycocan, a revolutionary life-saving technology with 99.9% efficacy indoors against the coronavirus. A brainchild of prolific Indian scientist Dr. Raja Vijayakumar. The Shycocan is a simple plug-and-play wall-mounted device that keeps you safe in any enclosed space. The core of the Shycocan is made of a super alloy built after a decade of research. It produces trillions of photons when excited, which strike solid surfaces like tables, chairs, walls, and emanate electrons. Due to continuous operation, these electrons then form a protective electron cloud in an indoor space. The negatively charged electrons neutralize the positive charge of the coronavirus S protein, thereby disabling it from infecting a person in real time. This process is called attenuation. This device is effective for both surface and airborne coronaviruses. In the presence of Shycocan, anyone touching a previously infected surface will not contract the virus, providing far greater protection and safety than any other technology. It does not harm the friendly bacteria or fungi that coexist with us. Neither does it produce any harmful ozone gases, harmful radiation, nor does it have any chemicals, UV rays, or side effects, and is fully safe for humans, animals, and the environment. The device also attenuates or disables the full spectrum of viruses belonging to the coronavirus and influenza family of viruses. It can also protect you from future pandemics caused by mutations, variants, or other strains of these viruses. The Shycocan is a proven technology that brings life back to normal. Visit shycocancorp.com for details. Shycocan, now available on Amazon India.